Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm delighted to have you here today. Today, we'll be exploring the pharmaceutical quality system, starting with part I of our series. My name is Dr. S.K. Singh, and I hold a PhD in this field. This slide introduces our session, so I want to briefly tell you what to expect. We'll cover the fundamentals of the pharmaceutical quality system, its importance, and key components. I look forward to sharing insights that can help enhance your understanding and application of these concepts. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the pharmaceutical quality system, or PQS for short. This is the framework that ensures our medicines are consistently manufactured to meet the highest quality standards. It's not just about compliance, it's about building quality into every stage of our process. The PQS covers all aspects of quality management, from raw materials to the final product, and even beyond, into distribution and patient use. It emphasizes a proactive approach, identifying potential issues early and continuously improving our processes. By implementing a robust PQS, we create a culture of quality that supports regulatory compliance, enhances product reliability, and ultimately protects patient health. This system is fundamental to our overall goal, delivering safe, effective, and high-quality medicines to those who need them. Let's talk about the importance of a comprehensive pharmaceutical quality system, or PQS, along with GMP and quality risk management. The manufacturer takes full responsibility here. This means ensuring that our products are not only safe and effective, but also fit for their intended use. We need to make sure they meet the requirements set out in the marketing authorization, so they are compliant with regulations. Above all, our goal is to prevent any risk to patients caused by inadequate safety, quality, or efficacy. This is a shared responsibility, which involves senior management's active participation and a strong commitment from everyone, our staff, suppliers, and distributors. When everyone is engaged and aligned with quality principles, we build a robust system. Remember, the PQS and quality management are not just about processes. They're about creating a culture of quality throughout the entire supply chain. It's this collective effort that ensures we deliver safe, effective medicines to patients reliably. Senior management plays a crucial role in the success of the PQS. Their leadership and active participation are essential to ensure that the system is effective and integrated throughout the organization. It's important that they not only support the PQS, but also foster a culture of commitment among all staff members. Ultimately, senior management has the responsibility to make sure that a robust PQS is in place. This means it needs to be properly resourced, with clear roles, responsibilities, and authorities defined, communicated, and implemented across all levels of the organization. The PQS should be clearly defined and documented, often in a quality manual or an equivalent document, which describes the entire quality management system. This documentation should outline management responsibilities and how they are fulfilled. Regular management reviews of the PQS are vital. They help us evaluate the system's effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Continual improvement of the PQS, along with our products and processes, is a key principle to maintain high standards and adapt to changing needs. Connecting this all to our overall theme, strong leadership and clear documentation are the foundation of a successful quality management system. They ensure everyone understands their role and that we are always moving forward in quality, compliance, and customer satisfaction. Let's start by understanding what PQS stands for. PQS should be clearly defined and documented within your organization. This documentation typically takes the form of a quality manual or an equivalent document that describes your overall quality management system. It's important because it outlines management responsibilities and provides a structured approach to maintaining quality. Regular management reviews of the PQS are essential. These reviews help ensure that the system remains effective and aligned with the organization's goals. They also provide an opportunity to identify areas for improvement. Speaking of improvement, continual enhancement of the PQS, along with your products and processes, is a core concept here. Quality management isn't a static goal, it's an ongoing journey of refinement. It's important to recognize that quality management is a broad concept. It encompasses everything from the totality of arrangements put in place to ensure products meet desired quality standards. This includes not just manufacturing practices, but also aspects like product design and development. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, are a fundamental part of this. They form the foundation of consistent quality. But quality management extends beyond GMP to include many factors that influence the final product quality. In summary, PQS and quality management work hand in hand. Together, they create a comprehensive framework that helps us deliver products that meet or exceed customer expectations, ensuring quality across all stages of development and production. GMP, or good manufacturing practice, applies throughout the entire life cycle of a medicinal product. This includes everything from the manufacture of investigational medicinal products, which are used in clinical trials, to technology transfer, and then on to commercial manufacturing. It also covers the phase when a product is discontinued, ensuring quality and safety at every stage. Now, the pharmaceutical quality system, or PQS, can actually extend beyond manufacturing into the broader pharmaceutical development lifecycle. This means it's not just about production, but also about supporting innovation and continuous improvement. It helps create a seamless link between the development process and manufacturing activities, ensuring that quality is built into every step. For PQS to be effective, it must be properly resourced and maintained. That includes having the right premises, personnel, equipment, and facilities in place. Maintaining these resources is essential for consistent quality and compliance. Finally, PQS and overall quality management are central to ensuring that products are safe, effective, and of high quality throughout their entire life cycle. This integrated approach helps us meet regulatory standards and, most importantly, serve the best interests of patients. Now, let's talk about what the PQS should ensure. First and foremost, it must guarantee that product realization is achieved. This means everything from designing to final production needs to be properly managed. It involves designing, qualifying, planning, implementing, maintaining, and continuously improving the system, so that all aspects of bringing a product to market are covered thoroughly. Another critical point is managing product and process knowledge. Keeping this information up to date and accessible is essential for consistency and quality. When it comes to designing and developing products, compliance with good manufacturing practices, good laboratory practices, and good clinical practices is fundamental. This helps ensure safety, quality, and regulatory adherence. We also need clear SOPs, or standard operating procedures, for production and control operations. These procedures serve as the blueprint for consistent, reliable processes. Moreover, responsibilities must be clearly specified in job descriptions. This clarity helps everyone understand their roles and accountability. Finally, the PQS is closely linked to the overall quality management system. It supports an integrated approach where product quality is built into every step, from initial design to final delivery. This alignment helps us maintain high standards and continuous improvement, which are at the heart of our overall presentation theme. Now, let's discuss some key responsibilities of PQS to ensure product quality. First, PQS must make sure that the correct starting and packaging materials are used. This is crucial because the foundation of a quality product begins right from the raw materials. Next, controls on starting materials, intermediate products, and bulk products are essential. This includes in-process controls, calibrations, and validations to verify that every step meets quality standards. These controls help catch issues early and maintain consistency throughout production. It's also vital that the finished product is processed and checked properly. This step confirms that the final product has met all specifications before moving forward. Finally, the finished product release is a critical point. PQS must certify that each production batch has been produced and controlled in accordance with the marketing authorization and relevant regulations. This ensures that only products that meet strict quality standards reach the market. In essence, PQS and the overall quality management system work together to safeguard the integrity of the manufacturing process and the safety and efficacy of the final product. Now, let's talk about what the PQS should ensure when it comes to managing outsourced activities. First, it's crucial to oversee these activities effectively, whether it's storage, distribution, or handling of our products. We need to make sure everything is done properly and in compliance with our quality standards. Next, self-inspection and quality audits play a vital role. Regular checks help us identify issues early and maintain the integrity of our processes. When deviations are found, thorough investigations are necessary to understand the root causes, followed by implementing preventive actions to avoid recurrence. Another key point is managing changes and ensuring they are properly approved. Any adjustments to processes or products must go through a formal review and approval process to maintain control. Finally, regular reviews of the Product Quality Report, or PQR, are essential. These reviews help us identify opportunities for improvement and ensure that our products continue to meet the highest standards. All of these activities, management of outsourcing, inspections, investigations, change control, and reviews, are interconnected. They form the backbone of effective PQS and overall quality management, helping us deliver safe, reliable products consistently. PQS should ensure that monitoring and control systems are in place for both process performance and product quality. This means continuously keeping an eye on how our processes are functioning and how the final products meet quality standards. It's essential to have systems that support ongoing improvement, so we can identify areas for enhancement and make data-driven decisions. Quality risk management, or QRM, also plays a crucial role here. It helps us proactively identify potential risks to quality and address them before they become bigger issues. Another key point is that suspected product defects and other problems need to be reported, investigated, and recorded properly. This creates a traceable record that helps us understand root causes and prevent recurrence. When issues are identified, implementing corrective actions and preventive actions, what we call CAPAs, is critical. But it's not enough to just fix the problem. We also need to monitor the effectiveness of these actions to ensure they really work and prevent future issues. All these elements, monitoring, continual improvement, risk management, and CAPAs, are interconnected. They form the backbone of a robust PQS and overall quality management system, helping us maintain high standards and compliance throughout our processes. Now, let's discuss what a QA system should ensure to maintain high standards of quality and compliance. First, products need to be designed and developed in strict accordance with regulations like GLP, GCP, and GMP. These guidelines are the foundation for ensuring safety and efficacy. Next, production and control operations must be clearly outlined in Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs, so everyone knows exactly what to do at each step. Managerial responsibilities should be well defined within job descriptions, making sure accountability is clear throughout the organization. It's also vital that the systems in place guarantee the use of the correct starting and packaging materials. Using the right materials is crucial for product quality. Controlling starting materials, intermediate products, and bulk products is essential. This means implementing proper controls at each stage. In-process controls, calibrations, and validations need to be carried out regularly to ensure processes stay within specified parameters. When it comes to finished products, they must be processed and checked thoroughly before release. Importantly, products should never be sold or supplied before they are officially released by authorized personnel, ensuring only quality-approved products reach the market. Additionally, systems must ensure proper storage and distribution to maintain product integrity until they reach the end user. Finally, the PQS and overall quality management system underpin all these efforts, creating a robust framework that supports continuous quality and compliance. When these elements work together seamlessly, we uphold the integrity of our products and meet regulatory expectations. This is at the core of a strong QA system. Now, let's talk about what a QA system should ensure. First, it's essential that self-inspections and quality audits are conducted regularly. These are key to catching issues early and maintaining high standards. When deviations do occur, they must be promptly reported, thoroughly investigated, and properly recorded. This way, we can learn from mistakes and prevent recurrence. Changes within the system need to be carefully controlled. This means any modifications should follow a structured process to ensure they don't introduce new risks or inconsistencies. Speaking of consistency, systems must be followed diligently to verify that our processes remain stable over time and to support continuous improvement. Implementing quality risk management is also crucial. It helps us identify potential risks proactively and manage them effectively. All of these elements, PQS and overall quality management, work together to create a robust, reliable quality framework. By integrating these practices, we not only uphold standards, but also foster ongoing enhancements that benefit the entire organization and, ultimately, the patients we serve. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you have any questions or need more information, we're here to help. You can contact us through the provided channels. Remember, we're committed to assisting you beyond this presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We truly appreciate your engagement and look forward to supporting you in your efforts.